Evening all, Remarks here, back again with another video, back again with another Oculus Quest video. And this is my series of videos where I play Oculus Rift games on the Oculus Rift that have been confirmed as coming to the Oculus Quest. So this is kind of give you an insight as to what the game is, why it works quite well on the Oculus Quest, maybe sort of consider what's going to change, how it's going to differ to the Oculus Rift version when it gets ported, and also maybe touch on sort of what could it come to the Oculus Go as well. In this video we're going to have a quick go of first person tennis, the real tennis simulator. I've never really played it much before, but we're going to give it a go, a little playthrough and show you what it's all about. It comes out at about £15, about $20, €20. I imagine it'll probably be a similar price on the Oculus Quest. I don't think we'll get massively cheaper games, but let's jump in, have a little look and see what you think of it. Alright, here we are in first-person tennis, the real tennis simulator. Let's jump into some training. Select a court. Let's have a nice green one. We choose right-handed, left-handed. We can choose arcade or simulation physics. And there's different versions of teleporting around. So you can either use teleporting, run in place, so you can run sideways to actually make yourself move. Or some other stuff like sliding auto and stuff like that. We're going to use teleport for now. How do we do this? So serve, backhand. Let's just jump into a match. We don't need to know how to do everything. So I think we pull in a trigger. There we go. Pull trigger on the left hand to grab a ball. We throw it up and then we hit it. Hey, just like that. Oh, I'm terrible.
Love 15.
Love 15. Right, come on, let's go again. So this automatically teleports you around. It's a bit like on the Oculus Go, there's that Racket Fury game. It automatically teleports you where you need to go. This is the same sort of thing. It's doing that teleporting for you. But you still get the full control of the racket. However you want to do it. You can still step left and right if you want to. It does recommend that you have enough room to step left and right. Fault. And you get a hand, look. Get a disembodied hand and a racket with that hand on it. So pull in the trigger. Up we go. Smack.
Second service.
Oh well, mess that up. Let's try again. So ball. Up we go. Gentle tap. You just kind of do it gently. Oh, he didn't even hit it. It just kind of does it for you. You don't have to kind of think about it too much. You can also turn simulation style on. That makes it a little bit harder. But you can kind of do different types of shots. You can. Oh. Missed it.
30 all.
Oh, 30 all. Right, still my serve, is it? Yep, there we go. Oh,
Service.
I'm terrible. Right, let's try again. Give me ball. Give me ball. There you go. Oh, I messed it up again. I'm terrible.
40.
I don't play tennis in real life. You'll probably guess I'm not much of a sportsman. Alright, there we go. It's quite peaceful. The menu's got some music in it, but this hasn't got any music in it here. Whoa. Oh. Missed it. Let's try again. You can see I've got my Guardian barrier on. So the Oculus Quest will have something similar that kind of lets you know where things are so you don't bump into them. Whether it's set up like this, because you have to set this up manually and draw a line with the controllers. Whether the Quest, given it's got sort of inside-out tracking in the cameras, it's going to know where everything is. So it can kind of go, oh, be careful, you're about to smack into your TV. Because, oh, fault.
15 love.
15 love. Oh, smack myself in the face with my racket. Right, here's serving. Let's go. Let's go. Oh. 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 Kind of do feel like you're swinging a tennis racket. The controller itself is, it's kind of a similar weight to probably some high-end tennis rackets these days. Oh, yeah. Fault. I don't think there's much in the way of kind of... I clicked the menu button by mistake. I don't think there's much in the way of sort of trick shots or power shots. It's more sort of realistic, hit it real, up or down, or a bit of spin or a bit of chop, or whatever you call it, and you kind of hit it that way.
Second service.
Second service. Come on, mate. Come on. I can't see what his name is. Looks like something Wakanda. Oh. He just glitched in the Matrix. They went, I missed it. So oh, it's my go again now. So you got some tournaments to play. I think you've got online play on here. I'll have to check that before we quit out. Let me just play a couple more games of smacking this back and forward. Oh, second service. Let's go. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. I'll bounce it. Oh, I can. Bounce. Bounce. That's what the tennis players doing it. They rub it. They rub it on here. No, they don't rub it on there. That's cricket. Before I get told off for rubbing it. I don't think that's appropriate in tennis. Rubbing your balls on court. Frowned upon. Whoa. Ah, I hit it too hard. See, if you do hit it hard, it does go hard. So it's pretty much like you kind of little tap. Boop. And up. Oh, I was going to smack it up in the air. Actually, when he comes back over, I wonder if I can just hit it up in the air here. Oh no, it went the right way.
Second service.
He obviously tries to help you, I guess, with arcade settings to make it a little bit easier. Go on, let's win this rally. Come on. Oh, what? That's where I needed to step to get that one. Obviously, I was too planted on my feet. So that's what the Oculus Quest and the Oculus Rift give you, is this whole sort of, you can get down to the floor. Look down here, put the ball down, pick it back up again. You know, you can chuck it up and grab it, chuck it up and grab it. Two hands, you can't do this with the Oculus Go and it's one controller. You have to kind of ping up with the same controller and hit it. Which does work, to be fair. That's that cyber tennis, which is quite good on the Oculus Go. So if you want a tennis game on the Oculus Go, check out cyber tennis. It's not bad, it's got multiplayer as well.
40-30.
Let's win this game. Let's see what happens. Or this set, or whatever you call it. Oh, fudge.
Deuce.
I think I'm moving forward here. Let's move back a little bit. Who did a deuce? Dirty. Dirty, dirty man.
Advantage.
Oh no, he's got advantage. Oh no. Oh no. Right, up we go, and so the graphics quite good. I imagine graphics-wise, it probably won't be too far off what this is. It's not sort of super high graphics. Fault. You won the game. So I think you can probably match this on the Oculus Quest. Let's go to the main menu, see what else we've got. So new tour, can we play online? Oh, I don't think we can. So new tour, I think is just create a player, different faces, different rackets, different outfits, type in your name, fudge. You can change, you can put points into your forehand, backhand, volley and stuff. Start. And then you've got tournaments 1 of 13. And, one in England on grass. You can choose, let's try the different run in place, fixed direction. Let's have a quick go with that, see what that does. Oh, I feel like I'm... Oh, what's going on? Can I actually move? Is that what I'm meant to do?
Second service.
Go over here, go over there. Have I actually got to physically move? Ugh. Hopefully not. Oh, I fudged it. Alright, crowd, alright, calm down. Oh, nice bit of lens flare there. That's quite good. Can we give the ball back? Here we go. Oh. How do I... Oh, what is that? Can I move? Oh, you move with the... Oh, you move with the stick. Oh, this is weird. Oh, this is... Oh, so with the left stick, you move around. That's kind of freaky. Did I win that point? I don't even know. I wasn't even looking. Oh, yeah. Let's go, come on. I've got him on the ropes. Huh. Ah. So you can also just move left and right if you want to. But you can actually kind of change it to this rather than teleporting. And move with your stick. Oh, it's weird. Let's go.
Lovely.
I'm not sure I can do this. I think I prefer teleporting, but it's nice to have that option. Let's jump out and wrap up, shall we?
Beautifully done.
So there we go, first person tennis, quite a good game on the Oculus Rift there, and it's coming to the Oculus Quest, so let me know in the comments down below what you think about it. Is it something you'd want to pick up? Unfortunately there's no multiplayer on the Rift version. I hope that when it comes to the Oculus Quest version we get multiplayer, at least sort of 2 players, so 1 against 1, but it'd be great if you can have doubles as well. I think that could be quite good fun, especially with the proper inside-out tracking. You probably feel a bit more confident moving around, so I think that could work quite well on the Oculus Quest. The graphics I think will probably port quite well to the Oculus Quest, maybe a slight downturn, but they're not sort of overly fancy in this game already, so that's quite good. It controls really well and definitely uses both controllers quite well. Obviously being tennis, 90% of it is your right or left hand, whichever one's got the tennis racket in, but you know, there is sort of throwing up the ball and that sort of thing, and being able to take a step left and right does help. It's nice that you've got some alternative control methods as well, so you can teleport automatically, a bit like Racket Fury on the Oculus Go, or you can use your actual thumbstick to actually kind of move yourself around the court as well, which was a bit surreal, but did work quite well. Not having a wire in the way for tennis is going to be great for the Oculus Quest, because you can move around. With the Oculus Rift you've got that wire coming off your headset all the time, kind of restricts your movement and it kind of makes you worried about where you're going sort of thing, so having that kind of full freedom will be great. And could it come to the Oculus Go as well? Well, we've got things like cyber tennis on the Oculus Go already. You just literally pull the trigger to throw the ball up and then hit it, and it plays pretty much the same sort of thing as this, kind of moving you around, that sort of thing. So could it come? Yeah, sure, why not? Pare the graphics down even more and port it over to the Oculus Go. Win-win. But hopefully once it comes on the Quest, maybe that sort of thing will open up more and we can play more sort of Quest games on the go, just with pared down controls and slightly more pared down graphics. So I think it's a good thing. Let me know what you think about first person tennis in the comments down below. It'll be interesting to read what your thoughts are. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. That's fine. I'm big enough and ugly enough to take it. But do let me know in the comments down below why you didn't like it, and I'll try and do better for next time. Become one of the Remarkables. Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified when I next upload a video. And that's me done. I'm out. Have a virtual high five.